construct of the market. Yes, of course, a lot of stock movers as well. But what should your strategy be like? Let's try to decode that with Vinay Rajani, CMT, Senior Technical and Derivative Analyst at HDFC Securities. Hi, Vinay. Good afternoon. Seems like a range-bound trading session for the markets, but how should investors place their bet? Because it's exactly the U-turn that the Nifty has made from the benchmark 25,000 mark.
Yeah, good afternoon. So definitely tug of war is going on between bulls and bears, and nice recovery was registered in last three trading session. We have seen more than 500 points rise from the lower level, but somehow this 25,000 is a big hurdle and Nifty is not able to find its feet above that level. So that continues to remain a strong resistance. So we are into consolidation. Overall choppiness is there and sector rotation is going on. IT is doing well. Now banking has been performing weak. So we have seen that in the past that IT and banking is having a negative correlation and the same is happening. So I'm a bit concerned about the bank nifty chart because last week we saw a bearish engulfing pattern on the weekly charts. That is a bit cautious stance should be taken on the basis of that. So yes, still we cannot say that we are out of woods or any geopolitical issue or any particular news can again drag the Nifty downside. So unless we get a close about 25,000 in Nifty, we should remain cautious on the market because now we can see that for last two trading session, breadth has also been not supporting. So 25,000 is a very crucial level to watch out for. Unless we get close above that, we should remain cautious. On the lower side, if Nifty were to break this 24,700, which happens to be the yesterday's low, then momentum selling could again emerge in the market. So right now, very choppy range, tough to take a directional trade for the traders. But I would like to suggest support and resistance. So resistance would be 25,000 and support is at 24,700 in the spot Nifty. Once that is broken, we can exit the trading long positions.
That's the take on the market. But when I also give us a sense of what you're making of the PSU banking stocks right now, we understand there's a SEBI meeting tomorrow and we're expecting some news flow for the PSBs as well. But other than that, on the charts right now, compared to large private sector banks, how are PSBs shaping up?
Yeah, so PSU banks actually looking strong on the positional charts. If I were to refer the monthly and weekly time frame, they are still looking very strong on the charts and they can do well. And we saw a breakout previously, but we cannot rule out the possibility of the short-term correction. So overall, they are looking strong as compared to the private sector banks. Still, I feel that PSU are placed stronger on the charts, on the positional charts I'm talking about, not on the short-term charts. So we can expect short-term correction, but overall trend remains bullish. We can expect 3-4-5% correction in the stocks in the PSU segment, but it should be bought into if you are taking more than 15 days view in the market.
All right, Vinay, with this, we let you go on that. Thank you so much for taking the time out and helping us.